Hello everyone, I'm all up close and personal because we are doing a mascara review today. I'm going to make this video short but sweet, give as much detail as I can, come up close, apply the mascara, and then give you my end thoughts. So this is the new Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I got it in black, 851 black. It's Mega Volume, 84% said feels light as air on lashes. Sorry, I have the window open if that's annoying. I apologize, but it's nice to have some breeze in here. This is a, airy formula, high charge, cushiony brush, and it's lightweight mascara that wraps lashes in an intense black formula for a blown out lash look. So yeah, I'm curious to use this. I've seen a few YouTubers use it and say they really do love it, but I never base my opinion off of just because they like it, I'm gonna like it. I always give my honest review, and I got this on Amazon because I couldn't find it in stores, but let's try it on. So I'm gonna open it up. I feel like I have something in this eye. I do have the L'Oreal Lash Paradise eyeliner in the shade Rose Gold. I have that on my lash line today. I think it's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to zoom y'all in a bit closer. There we go, so you guys are pretty, like I said, up close and personal. This is what my eyelashes are looking like beforehand. I'm like the biggest fan of mascara. Sorry, I do have something in my eye. Alright, time to apply this. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. Very pretty. I love the like pinky rose goldish. And then here is what the brush looks like up close. Doesn't seem like it holds too much product on it, which I like, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I know you're not supposed to do this, but I'm going to pull down the bottom. Everyone applies mascara differently. I know some people like go like this and put it on. I don't know how they do that. Always clumps too much in my opinion. So far I'm really blown away. I feel like I haven't tried a drugstore mascara that gives me the length and volume together like in a while. Usually it's a Cosmetics Superhero mascara, but holy crap, look at that. And I'm gonna try 2 coats even though I don't feel like I need to do that, but I'm going to do that. But with 1 coat I feel like that would be enough. But I do like dramatic lashes. It's not seeming to clump really at all. Wow, y'all. I'm excited for this one. I'm going to go ahead and speed through and do the other eye, and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think. Okay, so here are what my lashes are looking like. So incredibly happy with this. What do you guys think? I want to say I know we're all up close and personal still, but whatever. I highly recommend this. I am for sure going to be sharing this with the makeup group that I follow, because I know a few people are looking for some really good mascaras. I think this is one of the best drugstore mascaras in a long time that I have actually tried and really enjoyed. And I think it's just like the $9 price point, which to me is how much I would spend on a mascara. I don't really like spending too much more than that. But I do obviously with the cosmetics one and stuff. But yeah, really, really enjoyed this. If you guys have not checked this out yet, I definitely think you should do so. Let me know down below if you want to see more mascara reviews, because I'm obsessed with mascara. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.